Hey, I'm Tristan Gatto, and welcome to 4-Minute Core Transformation. Today we will be working on the inner thighs, the deep core, and our reaching. So what we want to do is grab a block if you have that handy, or even a pillow from your couch, from your bed, whatever feels good. We want to begin to bring the block between the feet, or the pillow between the feet. And I like to use this as a little guide. We're going to lay all the way down on our back. Keep the knees bent so the hips stay at 90 degrees. And what we're going to do is reach to the outside of the block. We're going to go opposite sides. One hand can be down if you choose. We want to reach up and over to the opposite side. Try not to sweep the thighs or to the side or twist the hips. Keep everything right in the midline. That's why the block or the pillow is there. We want to reach past the midline. And what I like to do is karate chop the floor. That way I'm not using my hands to press me off. We want to use the abdominals. So go ahead and set up. When you're ready, here we go. And we'll be alternating the whole time. Either way, right or left. Exhale up as you come up. Be really precise with your movements. Really reach, drive the belly down. Good. Bring the hands down, stretch the arms out overhead, rock the knees side to side. Keep a hold of that block, start to set yourself up. Here we go, opposite sides, reach. You're doing great, stay with me. Keep your breath moving in and out. Really squeeze and hug that block. We're engaging that deep core. Good. Good. Reset. Drop the block down. Rock the knees. Stretch out overhead. You're doing great. Arms down, feet up. Here we go. Keep on reaching. You're doing great. Squeeze the block. Squeeze the pillow, whichever you got between the feet. Try not to strain your neck. And bring it down, good. Whew, we're almost there. About halfway. It's only 4 minutes, you got this. Bring the block up, beautiful, and here we go. Reach opposite sides. Good, keep breathing. Exhale up. Good, bring it down, you're doing great. Maybe reshift, because you'll shoot around on that mat. You're doing great, bring the legs up, here we go. Keep on reaching, you got this. You're doing great, keep the hips at 90 degrees. Keep exhaling as you come up. You won't hear me exhale as much because I don't want to breathe too heavy into the microphone. It can be super annoying. I'm saving you the trouble. Whew. All right, here we go. Keep it moving, we got this. Keep breathing out, squeeze the belly down. You're doing great. Ooh, bring it down. We're almost there. Come on, stay with me. Whew. You're doing awesome. It's only 4 minutes. Squeeze, lift. Keep a smile on your face. Good. Keep it breathing. Keep breathing. As you can see, I'm like creeping off my mat. All good. No worries, no judgments. Keep those legs up. And that's meant to happen. I'm going to scoot on down, scoot on down. Whew. I think this is the last one. Here we go. Come on. Finish strong. Finish strong. Be a badass. You got this. Reach it up. Determination. Determination. You're doing great. Come on. Whew. That's it, we're done. Kick that block out of the way, stretch your toes long, stretch your hands. Oof, take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Once more, breathe in. And breathe out. Bring your feet onto your mat, roll towards your screen, pressing up with your free hand. Come to an easy, comfortable seat if you so choose. Whew. Take the hands high, breathe in. Nice work today. Hands to heart. Know that the badass in me honors and recognizes the badass in you. Stay tuned. More 4-minute core transformations to come your way. So hit the subscribe button below this video and I'll see you next time. Namaste.